it's me Jessie here, and today I'm going to show you how you can create this super funny Mona Lisa portrait that follows you wherever you go. This is perfect for beginners on Scratch. Let's go! Let's draw the backdrop. For the backdrop, we will draw a plain wall using some rectangles. Next, let's create a sprite for the Mona Lisa. We created this cute, smiling Mona Lisa portrait using AI tools. You can check out this video link on how to do it. You can also draw her, I guess, but it would be too hard. We hollowed out her eyes as we are going to make a new sprite to animate. Next, let's create a new sprite for the eyes that will animate. You don't need AI tools to do this. You can just draw 2 circles for the eyes. Now, let's pick our main character who Mona Lisa's eyes will follow. I chose Danny. Let's change her costume. Oh, I like the one with the ponytail. Also, I resized her. Yay, our sprites are now ready. Let's code. I'm fixing the position of all the sprites. When green flag clicked, set the X and Y position for all the sprites. Now, let's add the code for Danny. When we move the mouse, Danny follows along. In a forever loop, we set the X to the mouse position. We can use the block called current X from sensing to do this. We keep Y the same. Let's quickly test it out. I'm moving the mouse. Danny follows along. Now let's animate the eye. The eyes need to follow Danny. Let's try a code like what we did for Danny. In a loop, let's try setting the X as current. Let's test it out. Ouch! The pupil falls off the eye because it follows the mouse pointer exactly. To fix that, let's take smaller steps for the eye. Let's divide mouse X by 20 and test it out. It's better, but it still falls off the eye. Let's retry with the mouse X by 35. Yay, this works! Mona Lisa's eyes follow Danny! To make this project cool and even more fun, we've decided to add cool and funny headbands to the Mona Lisa. You created your own funny Mona Lisa which follows Danny around wherever she goes. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye!